record on this? Hey, everybody, this is Kim Andersack, and I am coming to you live from Command Central. Today we have, I'm with the Colorado City Homeschoolers, and we just did a homeschool expo back in June. And this is one of our vendors that has a new opportunity, and we are trying to get the word out. So I want to tell you about this Discovery Therapies Institution, Inc., and the NILD program that they have. So tell us a little bit more about that, Ms. Sharon.
Well, anyway, thank you so much for having us here. NILD is an accredited by the International Dyslexia Association. So the program's been thoroughly vetted. So you know it's a quality program. And students don't have to have a diagnosis to do this new reading partnership that we're trying to launch. So
right. The NILD is National Institute for Learning Disabilities.
Development.
Yes. And it helps it does like a therapy for the mind, the way that physical therapy is for the body, and my daughter does too. So
yes.
But this is a great new program that you guys are rolling out, this reading partnership program, reading intervention. Right. So we want to tell people about this opportunity, and you sent us this great flyer, but it's full of information. So I want to try to quick go over it so that people can have a chance to really not get information overload, kind of go over the various components of it and know, oh, this is something I want to do, so that they can go and fill out the interest form and let you know that they're interested. So talk about what the reading partnership is going to do. Who's it going to help?
Right. Well, we know that there are plenty of struggling readers out there. You know, my own son was a struggling reader. You know, South Carolina, we know that a good portion don't meet the reading expectations in the public school. But just with Discovery Therapies, we know that there's hope. We offer hope that your child can make grade level reading and not struggle so incredibly much. So we are offering the reading portion of our educational therapy. And the benefits are listed in the flyer. We touch the reading program touches on those 5 components of reading. And we're going to have small group sizes. So you can have your child in the group and it'd be with between 3 and 6 top. So they're in a small group. We know that sometimes too homeschoolers struggle finding, they want their kids to experience classes and have experiences that the other kids that aren't struggling reading have. So this is an opportunity that they can have a class for them too. Right. So it is based on Orton Gillingham. It is on IDA's list. Small group sizes. It will address those 5 components. We are going to have, if you're interested in teaching, we've got a sign up informational meeting. If you're interested in having your child in a group, sign up there as well for the informational meeting. And this meeting will be September 3rd. There's 2 options right now. One is at 11:30, one is at 4. If those don't work out for you, please sign up anyway, because we will have, additional informational meetings.
Right. And so there's options too for once you get your child into this program. You had mentioned before that there's options to do one-on-one reading.
Yes.
If that's what you want.
If you would prefer the full educational therapy experience for your child, put that information, like you want more information about that, sign up on the Google form.
Yep. For these small groups that have a rate. And you had also mentioned that if a co-op group has several kids that they're trying to do reading for, they've already got the group together, then there's a way to get connected with these reading resources and facilitate your own group at your co-op, like that.
Right. And then and if you get a group together and have your kids' friends already there ready to go, there'll be a group discount depending how many. So
the other thing, I know a lot of people struggle with finances, and they look at this and they say $125 a month for my student, I can't afford that. And you're also offering to train them as a teacher. If they'll facilitate a group, then they can get the training at a at a really good deal.
Yes, yes,
To
very,
facilitate
very
the
good
group.
deal. Yes.
Mhm.
And you know, and then we're not going to train you and dump you.
Yep.
We will hold, yeah, we will hold monthly meetings for professional development. You know, we can discuss what's working, what's not working, what you need help with. You know, we're going to hold your hand through this. Um, you know, and just we just want to help, you know. There's there's so many people that need help, and we're just really wanting to put that help out there, but we need y'all to sign up on the form. You know,
And
we
the
need
first training,
teachers.
yep, and the first training for instructors is scheduled for next weekend, the 13th and the 14th.
Yes,
So,
yes, that'll be the first one.
but if you're interested and you missed the deadlines and you're looking at this video and like, I can't go to the third, or I can't go to these dates, go ahead and fill out the form.
Yes.
You're interested in this reading intervention program, and more informational meeting time slots will become available, and
Hmm.
more teacher training. So this is a
Yes.
growing program. This is the beginning of it.
Yes. And
So,
we need y'all's help. Sign up.
yep. So if
Help
you're
us, help
interested,
us help others.
even if you watch this past those September dates and deadlines, here's the form. Click the link, fill out your form, tell them you're interested, and jump on board with this amazing new opportunity. So, well, thanks for coming by today, and
Thank you for having me.
and hopefully a
Appreciate
lot
it.
of people will be in touch with you soon. Thanks so much.
Yes. Thank you.